Sa'yo. In mo, tangi. Interviewin mo nga sila eh. Mula interview. Oo, mula interview.
Ulit sa interview, Brad.
Oy, tapos na kayo dyan? Uy, putang ina mo bakit?
Hi guys, we have the Mechanics Band and we have...
I'm Adrian and I'm assigning beatbox and what you call this, battle marathas.
Yo man, what's up man?
Hey man, my name is Shavy, and I'm a drummer. You see the fine drummer in the house?
Yeah.
Love you, bitch.
Yo man, what's up man? And you I am this man. Bassist
Before Christ.
and you are man.
Jay Shay.
And you're man.
Oh yeah, I'm here, yo yeah.
Yeah, yo what man?
I got you man.
And you are?
I'm MMC and I'm the vocalist of this band.
Alright man, you have the man, Mechanics Band. This, roll out
Yeah,
man.
wait for us, huh? We're gonna play our favorite song now.
This is for you man.
This is for you, Orletta.
Efren,
Baby, I love you, Philippines. Hey, look at my face. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, action!
Ako muna
Hi, you look at my,
Hindi makakain, hindi makatulog, buhat ng iyong lubogin. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Ay, pusong bato.
Thank you, Orletta.
Thank you.
Lagi. Europe, you're next.
Autograph! I love it. Ibang song, ibang song.
Next song is Dutch Divide.
Okay, ano natin?